Hello, my name is Bijanca Star and this is NFT time, where I share the latest tea on the NFT community. All right, El Salvador inaugurates Bitcoin City by 1 billion Bitcoin bonds. El Salvador is moving the needle on Bitcoin integration by being the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender. It was announced during their Bitcoin Week conference. NFTs could account for 10% of the luxury market by 2030, according to Morgan Stanley. Isn't it interesting to hear TradFi, traditional finance, making assertions about the longevity of NFTs in the marketplace? That means they're bullish on it. That means you're in the right place at the right time, and that means this technology is going nowhere. So buckle up and start innovating, guys and gals. South Korea's Gaming Rating and Administration Committee stand on NFT game ban. What this means is that countries that remain free and open to this technology are going to be the ones leading the way on innovation and integration. Any country, in my opinion, and this is my opinion now, that puts restrictions on how to utilize this technology is countries that are going to be left behind and have to catch up when they eventually see that the power of this technology is undeniable. Big banks like the Royal Bank of Canada see blockchain technology as being able to, quote, meet the critical demand of at least certain segments of the banking and financial markets. That just means that blockchain technology will be fully integrated into existing systems as we move forward into the future. Bitcoin was originally established after the 2008 financial crisis because it gives transparency, because it's a ledger, and because it's immutable. It cannot be changed. So this is a really good thing in terms of restructuring the systems that have kept people down and kept big businesses and big structures in power. ConstitutionDAO Setup. Let's run through that. What actually happens in a DAO in terms of actual implementation? Well, they went to a platform where they accepted ETH donations, and in return they got People Coin. And what that People Coin is, it granted governance power over the assets managed by the LLC that actually owns the asset. So that is one way in which DAOs can be implemented and have an actual existing structure, by using existing systems of LLCs and by using new systems of giving out tokens as voting power, as governance power. Okay, our word of the day is fiat. Fiat is money recognized as legal tender by governments such as the yen, yuan, euro, and US dollar. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Bijanca Star. I'll see you later.